Hey fam, how are you all doing? Happy New Year to you all. I don't know if we've posted video since this year, but nevertheless, Happy New Year. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, this is the Rendax family, and on today's video, just quick just quick one. I am going to do a bit of unboxing, alright? And what is this unboxing for? I visited my friend, she made a smoothie, and believe me, this smoothie is spectacular. You know, it's just amazing. I have never seen a machine that can blend leaves that you will not even feel it as in is a leaf, okay? So I fell in love with that machine. And know that I don't do smoothie, but believe me, this is exception. Okay, so I have been targeting this machine. So yesterday I actually got a card from August, and I asked my son, what do you want? What do you want us to buy with this? And he told me that he wants a machine that can blend smoothie, that he misses taking smoothie. I said, okay, in that case, let's just order this. So it's not quite long. My friend took me, I went to pick it up from the shop, and yes, this is what I'm unboxing. So if you want to see this, step or don't go away. But before we hop into that, if you've not subscribed to the Rendax family, what are you waiting for? Please consider hitting on that subscription button right now there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever we upload a new video. So let's just quickly hop into it before I make food for the kids. Guys, this is the machine. I'm sure most of you have seen this on YouTube, and I think Estelicious uses the same machine. I mean, this I've used so many the mixer, but believe me, this is exception, and I am not going to regret of buying this. It's a bit on a higher side, but believe me, it's worth it from what I have seen so far. So we're not going to waste time to open this. Let's just stop talking about it. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I finally bought this, because I have been wanting to get this in my kitchen. It's one of the things I want to have in my kitchen, and finally I'm having it today. I'm so happy. You don't know how happy I am. So I'm going to bring it. So as you all can see, it's Ninja 3-in-1 food processor. Okay, so I'm going to be honest, I don't know. I'm going to go through the manual, and I'm going to explain what each of the components does. Okay, I don't know, I've not used it before, just I have seen people use it. So we are going to go through it now. All right. Oh, it's huge. And I went to pick it at the shop. They brought it out like, whoa, the woman was starting laughing at. I didn't expect to see a big carton like this. Okay, so let's see. See, this one is 1.8 liters. This one is 2.1 liters. This one is 700 ml. And so it's 3-in-1 food processor, as we all have seen. Versatile, create anything from dips to drinks, doughs to desserts, using the food processor, bowl, blending jug, or cup. So practically it does everything. Please ignore the noise if you are hearing any cry. You know that's how we are. So it actually makes anything at all. So I'm glad that I'm getting this. They say it's easy to use, simple controls and automatic programs are designed to deliver the perfect result exactly as you like it. So it's apparently you set it the way you want it. As soon as you set it the way you want it, put whatever you want to put on it, it will give you exactly what you want. That is what they're saying. So we'll try it and see if it's true. All right. So they say durable and powerful, combining Ninja's precision engineered stainless steel blends with a powerful motor. All right. So let's see what is inside. I'm so excited. Alright, I guess this is the manual. Let's see. Yeah, it's manual, and it came with food process, quick and easy recipes that you can actually do quickly with the machine, which I'm going to use. All right. So let's see what's inside. I guess the component, of course. So I'm going to push this one corner, and I'm going to bring everything out so that we all can see. Alright. Oh. I guess this is the motor. Not really. This is not the motor. This is the 1.9 liters. It's huge. Can you see that? It's huge. Sorry. Okay, this is the cover, I think. No, this is reversible. This is reversible disc. This side up for slicing. If you want to slice something, you can use this. Flip for shredding. You can use it to shred. You can use it to slice. What an awesome that they have. Caution, blades are sharp. Handle using finger holes. This is finger holes. So practically this is what this does. You can use it to shred. You can use it to and this is the, I guess this is the motor. No, this is not yet the motor as well. This is 1.8 ml, alright? And they said here, 2-part foot pusher, lift to remove and twist to separate parts. If processing small items like carrot, insert large pusher into a shuttle. Use small pusher to guide food through. Now I have to really pay attention, read the manual, and so that I won't make a mistake, because I don't want anything to go wrong. This one here, I guess this is the motor. It's huge, man. So here is the motor. I'm so glad that I got this, believe me. This is the motor, and yeah, look at how big this is. Look at how big it is. Did you see that? So this is where you control whatever you want to do. This is where you set it up. Okay, the turning in the off and on key or button. This is blend, my max blend, chop, puree, mix, and what have you. Low, medium, high. If you want it to be faster and all that there. So this is it. So we go for the next one. I guess this is the blend, the cover for a cup. Ninja. Oh, let's see what's inside. Okay, I guess it's the cup, the 800 ml. Yeah, this Ninja. So if you want to blend, you put this one after blending. For instance, if you are taking a smoothie or something, use it to blend a little smoothie. Okay, after blending it, you take off that one, put this one, and you can drink from here. Okay. So basically this is what is in this box, and I'm going to go through the manual and read it thoroughly. I don't usually read manuals, but things like this I intend to read them because I don't want any mistake. I know if there's any mistake, I return it. There is every tendency I get another one or they fix it or anything, but I don't have the strength. So I'm going to read everything here and know how to go about it. So this is it. I'm happy that I got it, and they gave me this. It's a little bit of things you can do with the blender or food processor, and yes, and I'm going to try one or two of them and see how it goes. So guys, how do you all find this video? If you really like what you see, if you really like this unboxing, me, I love what I got. If you really love it, please do give it a thumb up. And if you've not subscribed to the Renders family, please, what are you waiting for? Consider hitting on that. Consider hitting on that subscription button right down there. Subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time I post a new video. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you. I do appreciate you all. Thank you, and bye for now. See you guys on our next video. Ciao.